Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's special episode where we dive into two fascinating topics that affect all of us. First is innovative cancer treatments, and the second one is growing concern of obesity. Now, these are issues that impact not only our health but also the way we live our lives. So, sit back, listen carefully, and let's learn together. Let's start with some exciting news from the world of science. Did you know that researchers in our country have developed a cutting edge treatment to help people battling cancer? Yes, it's true. So, scientists from IIT Guwahati and Bose Institute in Kolkata have created something called an injectable. Scientists from where? IIT, Guwahati, and Bose Institute, Kolkata have developed an advanced injectable hydrogel. Now, it sounds fancy, but let me break it down for you. This is a special, uh, you can say, a special technology that was developed. So, when we talk about cancer treatment in our country, it has always been challenging because uh, you might have heard of chemotherapy, right? While we know that chemotherapy is effective, but it is also tough because it not it affects not just cancer cells but also the healthy ones. So that's why many patients experience side effects जैसे hair loss हो गया, weakness हो गया. But this new hydrogel is here to change the game. Yes. So what exactly is this hydrogel? Imagine uh, you can say a jelly like substance that can hold medicine inside it, right? So this jelly or hydrogel, this jelly or hydrogel is injected directly into the tumor. What is tumor? Tumor is bad cell. Okay. So the cancer causing cells are known as tumor. So what scientists do? They basically take this hydrogel and they inject directly into the tumor. All right. And once it is inside, the hydrogel, it slowly releases the medicine only, and it will release the medicine only where it is needed, like a smart delivery system. And here's the best part, it doesn't harm the healthy cells around the tumor, that the situation that we see in chemotherapy, right? So this means that there will be fewer side effects. Okay, there will be fewer side effects and more precise treatment. And there will be more precise treatment. All right. So this is incredible because first of all, this hydrogel injection, it will target only the cells which are affected and not the healthy ones. But in the chemotherapy, it targets all the cells. Right? That's why we get to see many side effects in chemotherapy. But with the targeted treatment, there will be less side effects. Now, the secret behind this hydrogel, this hydrogel is something called peptides. Okay, so what is the secret? It's the peptides. Peptides क्या होते हैं? They are basically small molecules that help it stay in place at the injection site. कि यहाँ वहाँ नहीं इसको ट्रीट करने देते हैं, जहाँ पे टारगेट है वहीं पे इसको रखते हैं. All right. So hydrogel, they basically consists of ultra short peptides, and these small molecules help it stay in place at the injection site. And here's a fun fact: it only activates when it detects a molecule called glutathione, which is found in high levels in cancer cells. Okay, तो ये तभी एक्टिवेट होता है जब इसको ग्लूटाथायोन पता चलता है, और ग्लूटाथायोन कहाँ पर होता है? कैंसर सेल में. सो these are basically super smart. And this invention is especially important for treating breast cancer, which affects millions of people worldwide. And the researchers believe this could be a game changer, and not just in India, but around the globe. So, why is this important for us to know? Because it shows how science and technology are solving real world problems. And maybe one day, one of you will invent the next big thing in healthcare. So, to sum it up, this injectable hydrogel is a shining example of how Indian researchers are making groundbreaking contributions to medicine. It's also a reminder of how teamwork and creativity can lead to incredible results. All right. Now, students, let's move to another important topic. Yes. So, this topic deals with basically obesity, right? Did you know that more than 1 in 8 people in the world is obese? Yes, मतलब 8 लोगों में से एक जो person है, 1 person वो obese है. And it's true. And the numbers are increasing every day. But the question is, what exactly is obesity and why should we care? So let's find out. Students, obesity means having too much fat in our body. Now, having too much fat can make us sick. And it's not just about how someone looks, it's also about how their body works. So, when someone is obese, they are at a higher risk of getting diseases, जैसे diabetes हो गया, heart problem हो गया, or even cancer. And guess what? Even children are affected. Yes. So this article, it also talks about childhood obesity and how it is becoming a big problem, especially in countries like ours, India. Kids today, they are basically eating too much of junk food, right? चाहे बर्गर हो गया, फ्राइज हो गया, शुगरी ड्रिंक्स हो गया, एंड दे आर स्पेंडिंग too much. They are spending too much on screens, right? तो एक तो बात करते हैं कि जंक फूड ज़्यादा कंज्यूम हो रहा है, ऊपर से, हाँ, ऊपर से बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं, स्क्रीन टाइम भी इंक्रीज हो रहा है. दे आर स्पेंडिंग टू मच टाइम ऑन स्क्रीन इंस्टेड ऑफ प्लेइंग आउटसाइड. So this is making them gain weight in unhealthy ways. And did you know that being overweight can even happen to people who look slim? Yes. So there's something called TOFI. TOFI. TOFI क्या है? Think thin outside, fat inside. Thin outside, fat inside. तो थिन आउटसाइड और फैट इनसाइड में क्या होता है कि इवन इफ यू लुक फिट, you could still have unhealthy fat inside your body. And that's why doctors say that we should check our waist size, not just our weight. है ना, हमेशा waist size check करते हैं, weight नहीं check करते हैं. So what happens if obesity is in control? It can lead to problems like high blood pressure, joint pain, and difficulty sleeping. और इसके साथ ही साथ आपको पता है कि अगर हेल्दी बॉडी नहीं है तो हेल्दी माइंड भी नहीं होता, because a healthy mind resides in a healthy body, right? So it can even affect our mental health, and this will make us feel sad or less confident. That's why it is so important to stay active and eat healthy. All right, but don't worry, there are simple things that we can all do to avoid obesity. And some tips are also included in this news article. Just say we should eat more fruits, vegetables, and home cooked meals, and there should be a limit on eating junk food and sugary drinks, है ना. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड अवॉइड इट ऑल टुगेदर. बट कभी कभी क्या होता है कि अगर कुछ ऐसी सिचुएशन भी हो जाती है, लेकिन तो लिमिट में होना चाहिए, नॉट एक्सेस ऑफ इट. एंड वी शुड एक्सरसाइज एवरी डे, walk, play sports, or even dance. These are all what? These are all physical activity, right? And one should take breaks from our screens and move around. कई बार होता है कि भाई स्क्रीन पे ही सभी फिक्सेटेड है और बाहर जाके नहीं खेल रहे हैं. So some kind of physical activity should be included in daily routine. Remember, students, small changes can make a big difference. So obesity doesn't just affect individuals, it also impacts families and society. For example, you know, treating obesity related diseases cost a lot of money. And when people are sick, they can't work or enjoy life the way they want to. तो इसीलिए कहा जाता है कि इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर एवरीवन, पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स एंड इवन गवर्नमेंट्स टू टेक एक्शन. सो व्हाट कैन यू डू? स्टार्ट बाय मेकिंग हेल्दियर चॉइसेस फॉर योरसेल्फ, अपने लिए हेल्दियर चॉइसेस हमेशा चूज करना चाहिए. टॉक टू योर फैमिली अबाउट ईटिंग बेटर एंड स्टेइंग एक्टिव, एंड encourage योर फ्रेंड्स टू जॉइन यू इन फन एक्टिविटीज जैसे साइकिलिंग हो गया, प्लेइंग फुटबॉल. तो आपके जो फ्रेंड्स हैं आप उनको भी इंक्लूड करो. सो टुगेदर we can tackle this epidemic. All right, student. So that's all for today's special episode. We have learned about a remarkable new cancer treatment. All right, new cancer treatment. क्या है इसका नाम? Hydrogel. Yes. So this hydrogel uh, technology, and injectable hydrogel technology, is quite helpful for treating localized cancer, uh, and it will have less side effects as compared to that we see in chemotherapy, right? And then we learned about obesity and how is it is becoming a challenge in our country. So just go through this article and you will know how it is actually impacting countries like India. And the reason why we are discussing is this because India tends to be known as diabetes capital. ओके, डायबिटीज कैपिटल. इतना ज़्यादा लोगों में डायबिटीज इंक्रीज हो रहा है, और डायबिटीज का एक कहीं ना कहीं जो लिंक है वो ओबेसिटी से भी है. सो that's why we focus on such articles for students to make them understand that they should include physical activity in their daily life and they should make healthier choices, right? So students, remember, knowledge is power, and by staying informed we can make the world a healthier place, right? So thank you for listening, and until next time, stay curious and stay healthy, right? Goodbye.